Durable oil-free pump provides extended maintenance-free operation. Low 71 bar** allows for quieter operation, tested per ISO 3744. Roll cage and control panel provide protection to key compressor components. Low 2.6 amp draw motor provides easy startup and reduces breaker tripping. Lightweight 24 lbs. Thin 9.0 and compact design is easy to carry and store. The DEWALT D551401 gallon. Max 135 PSI trim compressor is a one-person tool that offers efficiency and dependability. This indispensable hand-carry compressor features a lightweight, compact design and quiet operation for punch-out work. Ideal for finish carpenters and woodworkers, the D55140 can be used for remodeling and custom installation of shelves or other furniture, cabinet trim installation, pressure testing new plumbing lines, and more.